Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Erba SGPT kit. So guys, this is the top and the front view of the kit. So let me show you the kit. So as you can see, this is the Erba LIQUIXX SGPT-R kit. So as you can see, it has a catalog number of 120903. It is 4 into 24/4 into 6 ml pack. You can see the kit contains two reagents, reagent 1 and reagent 2, and also has a standard expiry of 2 years. So as you can see, it is manufactured in India. It is a C certified IVD product, and it has an operational temperature of 2 to 8 degree Celsius. So that's the reason why I'm keeping it in a gel pack. So this is the top view of the kit. This is the front view of the kit. So let me show you the sides. Yeah, you can see here the technical collaboration with the Erba Diagnostics in Germany, but it is manufactured here in India by TransAsia. You can also see it is an ISO certified product. So this is the back side of it, and you can see all these customer details. This is from Erba Mannheim. So guys, this is the Erba LIQUIXX SGPT-R kit. As you can see, it is a IFCC method kinetic reagent kit. Also it contains the SGPT-R reagent 1 of 4 into 24 ml and the SGPT-R reagent 2 of 4 into 6 ml. It has a standard expiry of 2 years. It has an operational temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and it is manufactured here in India. So thank you.